I'm going to get a lot of questions over this specific problem, so I am going to walk through this problem. And what it said is you're to find the area of this equation, and the x-axis. And so every once in a while on your assignments, on your daily work, you're going to have a problem that brings in a lot of information. So if I graph this and I use y-intercepts, x and y intercepts, I have a line that hits at 20, and I've already pre-done my graph, and this is my x-axis, and it hits at 20. Okay, and it is a slope of -1. So it is a slope of -1. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph this one, and when I rearrange it, it's -2y equals -3x, y equals 3 over 2x, and I'm going to graph that. And so it's up 3 over 2. And I graph it, and that's your triangle. And the triangle, the area, they're looking for this, and they're looking for the area of this, which is area equals 1/2 base times height. From here to here is the base, and from here to here is the height. If you graphed it, you know that this is at 8, 12, so the height is 12, which is 120 units squared. If you did not graph it, you would have to do systems, and so you have x plus y equals 20. Y is 3/2 x, so x plus 3 over 2x equals 20 by substitution. 5 over 2x equals 20. 5x equals 40. X equals 8. Plug it back into here. Y equals 12, and that gives me the height, which is still the height that I did here. So every once in a while on a daily assignment, you will have a problem that causes you to pull in everything you absolutely know.